Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video we will cover the easiest methods to update the Dopamine 2.0 jailbreak to its latest available version on device without using the computer. So we will cover two cases. The first one being where you have installed the Dopamine 2.0 jailbreak using Sideloadly or Altstore or for example 3U tools, and you want to update it to the latest available version. And the second case is where you have installed the Dopamine 2.0 jailbreak using Trollstore 2. So we will cover these one by one. Let's cover the first one. As you can see, I have installed the Dopamine jailbreak already using the sideloading method using Sideloadly, and you can see I have this update available. Now to update the Dopamine 2.0 jailbreak using this method, you can simply jailbreak your device with Dopamine 2.0 first. As you can see, I am already jailbroken, and then open Cilio and then search for Troll Helper or Trollstore Helper, then get and install it from here. First of all, done. Go back home, open Troll Helper, and first of all install Trollstore. All right, once you are in, you will see Trollstore. Open it, go to settings and install a persistence helper to, for example, tips. All right, it is done. Once Trollstore is properly installed, open the Dopamine 2.0 app. You will see update available. Hit it and then hit update, and it will automatically take you to the official GitHub page for Dopamine. Scroll down and here you will find the latest available version. So get the dopamine.tpa file from here, hit download and wait for the download to finish. Alright guys, once the download is complete, go home and simply delete the old Dopamine app. Alright, now simply open Trollstore, then hit this plus button, install IPA, and then simply install the latest file for the Dopamine 2.0. Once installed, simply open the latest Dopamine 2.0 app and you'll find update environment. Simply update environment, your device will respring. Now after that respring, go in and open the Dopamine app, and you can see it is now up to date as we do not have any update available. It is better to reboot your device once and re-jailbreak it using the latest Dopamine we have installed. So simply turn it off. Alright, so after the restart, we are good to go. And now you can simply open the latest Dopamine app and jailbreak your device from here. Select your package manager. Alright, as you can see, it is complete. And as you can see, we have re-jailbroken our device and everything works perfectly fine. So as you can see, no problems whatsoever. Now guys, let's talk about the second use case where you have installed an older version of Dopamine using Trollstore 2, as you can see it right here. So now simply open the app, you'll find update available. It is better to jailbreak your device first to update it more easily. But for example, you are not jailbroken, you can simply hit update now, update, and it will automatically take you to the official GitHub page. From there, you can get the latest available Dopamine file and install it using Trollstore. But as I said, it is better to jailbreak your device first. So let me jailbreak it. Alright guys, so once you are jailbroken, and you can see I have already installed the older version of Dopamine using Trollstore 2 in our second use case. Now open the Dopamine app and now simply hit update available, hit update, and it will automatically start downloading the latest available update for the Dopamine 2.0 app. So simply wait here and let the process finish. Also, while the latest update to Dopamine 2.0 is downloaded, please keep screen on or the process may fail. So guys, after the update is finished, your device will automatically respring, and once you go in, you can see that we are now at the latest version for the Dopamine 2.0, and it is already jailbroken. You can see the latest version as of now is already installed to Trollstore 2, and everything is working just fine without any issues. Also, it is working fine for me, but I recommend you to restart your device once and re-jailbreak it from the latest available Dopamine 2.0 version to avoid any issues in the future. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, you can always ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.